YieldMax just announced this month's Group A dividends. This video is not financial advice, nor is it a recommendation. Please do your own due diligence before investing into anything. And of course, YMAX and YMAG are still weekly, so those also have a distribution this week as well. The ex-date and the date of record is October 3rd, tomorrow. Date of payment is the day after that, October the 4th. Your brokerage may take a little longer to post your payment. And now for the actual dividends. YMAX coming in this week at 20.76 cents. YMAG at 16.44 cents. TSLY at over $1 at $1.09.49 cents. Crash at 98 cents. GOOY at 25.54 cents. YBIT at 79.76 cents. OARK, that's OARK, at 40.83 cents. XOMO, that's XOMO, at 25.40 cents. SNOY at 51.28 cents. And TSMY at 37.14 cents. And now that YMAX and YMAG have had a few months of trading history to look at, I checked their total returns, and while I'm not surprised that they're both profitable, I was surprised at how not boring some of these profits are. YMAX has a total return, according to Seeking Alpha, of 13.03%, and YMAG has nearly double that at 21.24%. Considering that YMAG has some of the top winners in the YieldMax portfolio, it makes it not much of a surprise that it's doing better than YMAX. But I am surprised at how relatively consistent the profits seem to be. Now, I'll admit, when I first covered YMAG, I thought it was going to be kind of boring. I knew it would be profitable because they have a bunch of winners in there, but some of those companies that are being single stock ETFs like Microsoft or Facebook or Google, yeah, they grow, but they're not interesting enough to have a lot of premium income, meaning that there's not a lot of volatility. Volatility means more premium income, and more premium income means higher dividends. So I thought I would just try to more intelligently pick the single stock ETFs that I knew were going to perform, or that I had a reasonable suspicion were going to perform but still have a decent amount of volatility. But when I realized I had to continue to get in and out at the right times, I realized I just don't like having to do all of that if I'm getting dividends. If I'm going to do that kind of work, I want all the growth instead of just a capped portion of the growth like you get with YieldMax ETFs. So I'm starting to wonder if maybe YMAX and YMAG are the way to go. But what do you guys think? Are you going for more of these broad-based ETFs like YMAX and YMAG, or are you sticking more with the pick and choose strategy? If you like this video, you might also enjoy this one here on the screen. Subscribe to join the Cash Flow Club and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a single video.